wanted to make this quick tutorial on how to make an auto smelter in Rust. So first you must have power. I have a medium battery here plugged into this. So I have a branch output and a power output on my electrical branch. I'm going to take my branch output. This is how I do it. You can also use a power output, but later if you want to extend your power grid, you need another electrical switch, electrical branch, and put your output to it. So you take your branch output. I have 14 set on my branch output because I have 4 electrical furnaces here that I'm going to be using for this example, and 2 conveyors. Each conveyor is 1 power. Each electrical furnace is 3. If you add this whole system up, 1, 2, plus 3 times 4, 12, plus 2 is 14. So I have 14 as my branch output. You wire your conveyors in series like I have here. Power in, then the pass through of the first conveyor to the second power in of the second conveyor, and then the pass through into a memory cell. Then you take the output of the memory cell and put it into your electrical branch of your first electrical furnace, and then you wire a series of your electrical branches. Now you can use a splitter, it doesn't matter how you do it, it will still work. But I like to use electrical branches, so that's what I'll be using in this example. Now after you get done wiring your electrical furnaces in a series, or your electrical branches on them, sorry, you're pretty much done, except you gotta wire up your conveyors. So on your ore conveyor here, you have all your ores selected. You take the filter pass, you wire it to your set on your memory cell. So anything that passes through, as soon as ore comes through this, it turns on. And then this is your output of all your smelted ores, high quality metal frag sulfur. You take the filter feld and you put it on reset. So as soon as it detects through this pipeline that there's no more resources being smelted, it sends a signal to reset the loop, turning off your furnaces and making an auto smelter. So after you have this set up, you take your pipe wrench, you take the output of your chest. I'm going to show you a 1 loop example and then a 2 loop example. So you take your output of your conveyor here, you put it to the end of your storage adapter on each of your electrical furnaces, on the very first one here. Then you make a loop of your storage adapters in however many you may have, because you can make this as large as you like. You take the last output, put it into the input of your second conveyor, which is your smelted ores. Then you take the output, where this is going to be a 1 loop example, and put it into the end of this storage adapter on the chest. So where this is a 1 loop example, you put your ores in here for an example here. And your output should also come here, so your smelted ores should come here. So as soon as you turn these on, it should start auto smelting. It should kick on and start smelting, as shown. And then as you can tell, it's depositing the goods here and taking the resources. Now, I'm going to show you how to make this a separate chest for your output of your goods. So if you wanted 1 input of your ore and then have 1 output of the resources smelted, all you'd have to do is take the output of your conveyor that has your smelted goods and put it into the input of your second chest. And then you should see the result, which is all your automated goods are being smelted and placed in. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Hope you enjoyed.